Okay, hey guys, got the Summit out here, the Traxxas Summit, and right here, as you can see, what happened? The motor's missing. Well, apparently our original Traxxas Titan 775 motor right here, it has died. And what most people do is they upgrade them over to the DeWalt drill motors, which we have right here, and we're going to be changing the leads over from this one here to this motor in this video, and we're going to get the Summit going again, because haven't had the Summit running for a while now. So let's get started. Okay guys, I'm not really going to be in too much of this video today, so my dad, David Sr. is going to take over for today, and I'm going to be the cameraman like he usually is, so okay.
Okay, we're going to do the motor conversion from the Titan to the DeWalt. As you see, the Titan motor has double leads onto it, and the DeWalt has a single female spade that pushes right into the motor where the brushes are. So what we're going to do is we're going to convert this 2-wire system into a 1-wire system, and we're going to use a barrel connector. We're going to give it a shot, see how it works, plus we're also going to solder it. But we're going to take this to this, because obviously you can't put heat on plastic. Before we started this, I did a little experimenting, figuring out how we're going to make it into this. The best way I found was to take a pair of dikes and look in your area here and get it as close to the metal barrel as you can and clip it right off. Okay? And get rid of any of that excess and open it back up again. And do that on both sides. And then I still had a piece left. I figured, what are we going to do with this? I was supposed to say a joke before this too. Some people call them barrel connectors. Some people call them butt connectors. Seems a little weird to me. So for this tape, we're going to call it a barrel connector. Call it anything you want. You know, butt connector seems a little personal to me. I clipped the ends off as close as I could to the metal part that we want to save. I put them in a pair of pliers on the table so I don't cut my fingers. And I used a razor blade and scored it a couple times. And then the plastic will, don't make a liar out of me, I just did one. The plastic will peel right off of this. Okay. I'll use the needle nose here. And peel it right off. It takes a little work, but it does it. Here we go. Got a good bite on it now. You see how I open that right up? And the piece that we want to use will fall right out. Throw our plastic away. So there we go. Now we got 2 good barrel connectors. Now what we're going to do is take the 2 in one end and the single that came on the DeWalt motor in the other end. Crimp them out, and then fill it with solder so we make sure we have 100% good connection. No problems at all. Alright, so that was the first step as far as getting your barrel connectors up. So we're going to go to the next step here. I got to get everything set. So we're going to take a quick little break and come back, and we're going to heat these up and take these wires off. Alright?
And with the magic of TV,
Little torch here. We're going to heat up this solder to get our wires off. We're not really too concerned about anything on this except our wires, because obviously it's trashed. You see our bearings went on each end, or our bushings, and the motor's dragging to one side and killing us. So we're just going to heat these up, heat the solder up, and pull these wires right off. It should do the trick, I'm hoping. Yep. Yeah. Pull them right off. And you know what? I actually want to leave a little bit of that solder on there. Make it a lot easier to solder into the other piece. That's our hot side, rather than the ground side. I hope y'all can see this good. What's going on? You saw it. Fell right off.
Yep. And here's our old motor, which we don't need anymore.
Yep. And we got our leads that we're going to double up in the barrel and put our single on the other side. And I should make a pretty good connection. We're going to take a little break here, clean these up, come back, and we'll do our barrel thing. Or our butt thing. I don't know, whatever you want to call it. If you're freaky or whatever, I don't know.
Okay,
Okay,
now
right back.
another magic of TV.
Hey guys, here's what we ended up with. I did one off air to make sure everything was going to work okay. And it worked great. We've got shrink wrap on there. You can use shrink wrap, or you can use a plastic tip too, or you can use both. Little guy, Junior, he runs a lot of mud and water. Can't keep him out of mud and water, so we're probably going to end up using both. So we'll put that on later. You can put it right on with a brush, or you can bend these in half and dip it right down in. That's probably what we're going to do, dip it right down in there. Alright, so that's what we ended up with. I'm going to show you how to end up with that. Alrighty, one down, one to go. I left these soldered ends on, thinking it was going to help me, but it didn't at all. I'll cut them right off. Rid of that. And strip these down. Give yourself a pretty good amount of room, because it's got to go in that barrel connector. I'm going to measure. I may have to cut a little bit more off, but I'm going to stop there for now. And now I know I'm going to have to cut more off than that. Looks like, yeah, probably about a ½ inch, I guess. That would be. I'll cut the other one. Roll it back up so you got a nice tight fit. Okay, we're done. Now my original lead for the DeWalt motor is on this end right here. I'm going to give myself as much room as I can. I'll cut this right off to the end. Get rid of that. Get rid of all my trash, keep it out of the way. And let's place this in again. And roll it up. Now when this actually goes in a barrel connector, we kind of want to keep these all touching with the solder to get a good connection. Make sure we get good current, full power from the battery all the way to the motor. So there we go. We got our 2 battery ends, and we have our motor. Now I ran into a little bit of a problem here with the barrel connector. I didn't want to just stick them in and shove solder in the end. Alright, so what I did is I got a screwdriver just about the same size. I held it up, counted down both sides. You see it's opening it up? See that? Open it right up. do a little bit on the other end. A little bit more. So you see, we open this right up. Okay, we can lay our wires down in there, and we can get a good amount of solder in there also. You don't want to forget about your flux for solder. I'm going to stick some down in there. Might look like a lot, but yeah, believe me, as soon as you put heat on it, it melts it. Okay. So that looks pretty good right there where we're sitting. Now, one bottom. Put them right in. Hope y'all can see this. Stick my 2 battery ends right in there. On the motor side. Everything on the top. Or underneath. Actually, probably better shove it underneath. Lay it on top before, but this time I'm going to shove it underneath. Okay. Gotta play with it a little bit to get it in there. And once I got all my wires in there, I didn't need that quite big of a gap. So what I did was I squeezed them down a little bit with pliers. Just enough to run a bead of solder in. There we go. Fluxed it up good. So there's what we end up with. Okay. And we'll take a little break. I got my torch ready, get my solder ready, and then we'll actually show you how we soldered it in. Oh, you know what? I messed up. I didn't pull my starter motor in. We want to put a piece of shrink wrap in it. When a shrink wrap gets close to heat, it has a tendency to squeeze on the bottom. So I cut a little extra and putting it up on my motor end as far as I can. It keeps it away from the heat, keeps it from shrinking. And like I said, this is a nice fit. I could shove this right in on the other wires. And you see I just shoved it back in after I took it out. And still nothing happened. And I'm going to lay solder down in there. And then pull the shrink wrap up, heat that, and we're hopefully going to end up with something like that. I think it's working pretty good though. So we ought to be pretty good.
Okay, and with the power TV.
Back to the soldering part. Gonna heat up a little bit. This is a different soldering iron than I used the first time, so hopefully we'll get the same results. I'm hoping we'll get better results actually than I did last time. I had a little bit of problem last time. See what happens here. I don't think this is going to get hot enough. I may have to go back to my other one. Yeah, then I'll have to go back to my other one. Alright, let me shut this one down. Get back to big boy here. You should know solder close the heat. This is actually coming out better than that. Shrink wrap. Looks like it came out pretty good though. Got a nice tight connection. Everything's holding in good. Got a good amount of solder in there. I can see it in the end. Looks really good. We'll clean the wires up when it cools. Slide our shrink wrap back. And that's when we'll come back to you. Alright? We don't want to waste your time. So we'll come right back. Through the magic of video. We actually rolled our shrink wrap up on there after we cleaned the joint up when it was a little bit warm because it's a better benefit for it. As you see, look at that. A little bit of heat. The shrink wrap looks really nice. Really nice. Closes right up against everything. Gives you a nice clean look. Good connection. Good seal. Like I said, we run this in water and mud quite a bit. As a matter of fact, we got a video coming up within the next couple weeks. We're going through a water pipe under the road. We're going through an 18-inch water pipe under the road. So, if you don't stay tuned with Junior and watch that, something's wrong with you. If you're a true RCer, you'll stay tuned for that. And if we make it successful and it's fun, which I know it's gonna be, we have how many trucks, Dave? 6? We're probably gonna take turns running all trucks, 6 trucks today. And me, Senior, personally, has a gas powered red cap. We may even take that there. If we have success with everything else, we may run the gas powered red cap with it. I don't run it much, but when I do, I usually run it hard. So Junior will keep you posted here. You see how that came out? Came out nice, guys. Really good. And if you want extra protection for the connector, like I said, there is plastic. What we're probably going to do is we're probably going to bend the ends. And let me use the one that's already cooled off. We're probably going to bend the ends like that and dip it right in the plastic bit and get a really good seal in there. I don't think these wires are going to get hot enough to where it's going to affect it. I think we're going to be okay. But if not, we'll come back on and let you know for sure. But going through this conversion with the motors from the up to the DeWalt, it seems to me like that is the best choice to take right there, guys. That came out pretty good. I think you would agree. Nice seal. Soldered connections, not crimped connections. So you got full power, less resistance on your wires. And we're going to let you know how it makes out, for sure. But it appears to me like it's going to be doing pretty good. We had, you know, some tools involved. You got the wire strippers, flux, solder, a solderer. I use this on most of my connections, just straight wires or wire right up to the motor. But using the barrel connectors, I really had to have a pretty good extreme amount of heat, so I really kind of had, I call this my flamethrower. You know what I mean? And everything came out good. We got our, you know, selection of heat wrap, shrink tape, our shrink wrap, our connectors, electrical connectors. Just we sat down and thought about it a little bit before we started to make this, and kind of figured out which was going to be the best way to do it. And this seemed like pretty much a no-brainer. It seemed to work out pretty well. And if you notice, I left one longer than the other. I did that on purpose so we know which are positive and which are negatives, because we have off the DeWalt motor, we have a purple and a brown. There's no red and black. So when we figure out with our controller what we got, we'll know for sure which way. That's about it, guys. The Summit, Traxxas Summit, definitely an awesome truck. There's no doubt in my mind about it. When my son wanted this, we really didn't want to go into that deep in money, but we got it. And with the 2-speed tranny and the locking discs and what it does, of course you see we did upgrade on tires for sure. I mean, they're awesome tires. They're almost too awesome for the truck. We've had problems with twisting drive shafts, but that's because my son gets too radical with it. If you keep it like it is with the setup like this and you use it for wheeling, not running down the road racing 90 miles an hour, it performs very well. It's all with the driver, you know what I mean? If you go out and you want to go wheeling and mudding, it works great. No problem at all, and it's an awesome truck. It is a very awesome truck. So,
I'm going to take us out now here.
We're going to go out now. We're going to get this rest of this motor in and see what we can do. Thanks a lot for watching us. We hope you enjoyed what we did. We hope you learned a little bit. I enjoy doing it for you guys. We're going to be doing more modifications and upgrades and rebuilds. And we hope you come back. We hope you like it. And we'll talk to you later.
Okay, and I'm going to take us out now from here. And sorry that I really wasn't in the video too much, because...
They're tired of seeing your ugly face anyway.
Because I can't really do the technical stuff and everything, which my dad, David Sr., is usually the cameraman, but this episode I was the cameraman for it. And yeah, so hope you guys enjoyed this video here, and expect more great videos from our channel and stuff. And
wait till we get the gas one going, guys.
yeah, the red cat there, ooh,
It
that's
flies.
a beast.
It's a beast, yes.
So really, thanks for watching, and hope you enjoyed. See you guys then.